Okay, hello. Here's the Galaxy Nexus again, and it's off, so I'm starting it now. Takes a moment. And that is Weston. Yeah. And the Simple Touch demo client, slightly modified. So you can draw on it with a finger, like that. Now I'm pressing volume up, and it goes full screen, also clears the screen. And let's see. That's multi-touch. And if I press the volume down, it changes the color for the first touch, and the next touches also have different color. Like that. And if I press the power button, it powers off immediately.